for James. Did you know that? Ow! I'm coming.
You each take one.
What's still in this though?
You for umbrella. Where's the umbrella?
Okay. I don't know. Let me see.
See? I'm taping you guys doing your puzzle.
Where's this though? Where's this though? Shoot me!
Okay, for... Honey, let Sophie do it. K for keys.
T. Let's do an R. You do a... What did this do? What do you do? I'm swimming at you. And what do you do? I don't know what you do. Swing.
X for...
I don't know what he does.
X-ray.
X-ray.
Yeah, you got it, Sophie.
I do this one. What did this do?
I for insect. Where's the bug? Do you see the insect?
What's the bug?
It's next to the house. See the house?
Yeah.
It's right next to the house. There you go.
What's the H? For house.
Good job.
H. What did this do? P. What did you do? It goes away to about there.
Oh, you guys are playing so well together.
Oh, that. That we doing Sophie. We're puzzle with Sophie.
You playing with Sophie?
Yeah.
Oh,
They're doing the alphabet puzzle.
oh, that's fun.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Uh-oh, upside down. What did you do? What did this do?
Let me see it. What is that? Letter T for tie.
Tie with the tie. Jennifer.
Yeah, good job, honey.
B for Benjamin.
B for Benjamin. That's right.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
And B for basket.
D for basket. Where's the basket? G. Uh-oh. G. It's not for D.
D for duck.
D for duck. Oh, I know what you do. What does he do?
What letter is it?
I don't know.
Turn it around.
Mommy. L.
L for leaf.
L for leaf.
Yeah.
L for leaf. One more.
B for basket.
Basket.
And N for nest. Good job, you guys. Yay.